टेकिंग टू एकत्वम, बीइंग कमिटेड टू एकत्वम। ये क्या है एकत्वम? द्वैतम लिखा हुआ है क्या? विशिष्टाद्वैतमास्थितः, द्वैतमास्थितः, अद्वैतमास्थितः, क्या लिखा है? एकत्वम भजति आस्थितः। Who is this yogi? This yogi is Brahma Bhutam. See, these are very tough words to deal with for others, for dualists, for Vaishnavas, etc. This Brahma Bhutam and all, they don't they don't know what to do with these words. That is why cleverly they will not comment on this. I have seen this. The Ramananda, when it's tough, when the verses are terse, he will leave. He will not comment. He will just leave them. Brahma Bhutam, we have to see what he says. So Brahma Bhutam, they don't do anything. Brahma Bhut. Bhutam is one who has become Brahman. The one who has become Brahman, what will you do? This Madhva also can. They'll be clueless. I mean, they can't remove this word from Shastra. If they came first before Adi Shankaracharya ji, so they would have done all this. They might have done. So ये हटा दो, ये ऐसा नहीं है, वो ऐसा है. So भगवत गीता का और एक वर्जन भी है, वो वैष्णव वर्जन भी लिख लेंगे भगवत गीता का. तो ऐसा कर सकते थे. So ब्रह्म भूतम, nothing can be done. ब्रह्म बन गया. Like that, there are so many places Bhagavad Gita uses this kind of expression. ब्रह्म भूतः प्रसन्नात्मा न शोचति न कांक्षति. ब्रह्म भूतः. एक जगह नहीं. So ब्रह्म भूतम. So now you see here भाष्यकार जीवन मुक्तम. One who is free while alive. Jivan Muktam. What is this freedom while alive? Don't say he has a perfect state where he is just situated. So Sarvabhutastam Sarvabhutani Chatmani. And then Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra Sarvam Chamai Pashyati. And next Sarvabhutastitam Yomam. So in this chapter you can say these three are very important verses. Bhagavan is Sarvam. In other words, Bhagavan is Sarvam. Vasudeva Sarvam. Sarvam Khalvidam Brahma. This is what is revealed here. So Yomam Pashyati Sarvatra Sarvam Cha Mai Pashyati Sarvabhutastam Atmanam Sarvabhutani Chatmani. Here also Bhagavan Krishna says Yaha Bhajati. जो कोई मुझको भजता है माम. तो जो वन हु वर्शिप्स मी. हाउ ही वर्शिप मी? ये नहीं बोल रहे कि जो मंदिर जाके मुझको बजता है, जो नाम जाप से मुझको बजता है. One who worships me by coming to Vaikuntha or doing some ritual. No. What? Sarvabhutastham mam bhajati. One who worships me. What kind of mam? Mam who is sthitam. Me who is present as Sarvabhuta. Now me who is present as everything, as everyone. How does this person worship? Ekatva jnanena eva. This jnanam itself is figuratively used as worship. In the next chapter, we will be seeing that Bhagavan Krishna says there are 4 types of bhaktas. And he says jnani is also bhakta. Artaha, artharthi, jignasu, jnani. Say artaha, artharthi are the ones who will be always going around temples, Bhagavan, they're making deals with Bhagavan. They're trying to do some remedies. So very out of fear, they are trying to do various things. Then Jignasu is the one who is worshipping Bhagavan. Chaturvidha bhajante mam, who are worshipping Bhagavan. How? By pursuit of knowledge. So here Shastra is the yoni of Bhagavan. Shastra yonitvat. This is the third sutra, 113, Brahma Sutra. So Shastra yoni, 2 meanings are given by Bhashyakara. Both meanings are valid. One meaning is what? शास्त्र itself is भगवान. सर्वम ब्रह्म एव, वो सर्व में शास्त्र भी आता है. तो शास्त्र is, and the particular, the very special feature is Shastra connects you, leads you to that Bhagavan. Everything is Bhagavan, but what leads you to this appreciation is Shastra. So that leads us to the second interpretation, that is Shastram Pramanam. That yoni means Pramanam for Brahman. So if you are holding on to Shastra, don't think we are doing something outside outside worship of Bhagavan. When you sit and study Shastra, don't think पूजा कुछ और करना है कभी. I should again go to this temple, do this puja, do this ritual. नहीं. So that you need to know what is the importance of Shastra. Shastra is the revealer of Bhagavan. Everything else will connect you to Bhagavan. अगरबत्ती का एडवर्टाइजमेंट है, अंबिका अगरबत्ती, but it will connect you to Bhagavan. भगवंतुడికి భక్తుడికి अनुसंधानమైనది, जो मिलाता है भक्त और भगवान को, वो अगरबत्ती है. So ऐसा उन लोग ने एडवर्टाइज किया है. So this bhakta is a कभी कभी युक्ता, so called bhakta. माने when I am in the puja room, wow, everything is good. बाहर आते कि चलो राक्षस बन जाता है आदमी, तो ऐसा नहीं है. सो नित्य युक्त, द वर्ड यूज फॉर अ ज्ञानी. ज्ञानी's भक्ति, दिस पर्सन इज अ नित्य युक्त. अनन्याश्चिंतयंत, नित्य युक्त उपासते, भजते, उपासते, ऑल दीज वर्ड्स आर यूज्ड फिगरेटिवली. so भजति एकत्वम आस्थितः, टेकिंग टू एकत्वम, बीइंग कमिटेड टू एकत्वम. ये क्या है एकत्वम? द्वैतम लिखा हुआ है क्या? विशिष्टाद्वैतम आस्थितः, द्वैतम आस्थितः, अद्वैतम आस्थितः, क्या लिखा है? एकत्वम भजति आस्थितः. आस्थितः सन्, एकत्वम आस्थितः सन् यः माम सर्वभूतस्थम भजति. Now one who worships Bhagwan, going to temple, उसको कुछ फल मिलेगा. One who worships Bhagwan, doing some vrata, उसको कुछ फल मिलेगा. One who worships Bhagwan, in one puja room every day, उसका भी कुछ फल मिलेगा. But इसका फल क्या है? सर्वभूतस्थम माम भजति एकत्वमास्थितः सन्न माम भजति. इसका फल क्या है? इसका फल है मोक्ष. मोक्षा is a phalam of this. For any kind of bhajanam, the result is not moksha. But this bhajanam, this Atmaikatva Darshanam, the result is moksha. That is what is said in the second line. Sarvatha vartamanopi sayogi mai vartate. This is Jivan Mukti. So Jivan Mukti is this fellow, this yogi who is engaged in any action, doing anything. Like Gaudapadacharya says, having understood Jadavat Lokam Achare, Sarvatha Vartamanopi. Vartamana means engaged in. This person being engaged in anything, even if this person is engaged in anything, Sarvatha, anything or everything, still this person is engaged in me only. क्योंकि नित्य युक्त है, क्योंकि सब कुछ भगवान है, ब्रह्म एव इदम सर्वम. Then this person is never अयुक्ता. अयुक्तः कामकारेण फले सक्तो निबध्यते. A person who uses Bhagavan only as someone who will give me what I want, and always remains in samsara. Kamakarena phale sakto nibadhyate. But jignasu sanna, one becomes a jnani bhavati, ekatvam astitah, then always yukta. Any karma, no action has a capacity to take me away from Bhagavan. No situation can take me away from Bhagavan. No emotion can take me away from Bhagavan. पूर्व श्लोकार्थम सम्यक दर्शनम अनूद्य. सो अनूद्य अभिधीयते, कनेक्ट अनूद्य adverb, अभिधीयते verb. So adverb always qualifies a verb, like how an adjective qualifies a noun. So a big tree, so big is qualifying the noun tree. So always an adjective goes with the noun, qualifies the noun. So tree को बड़ा या छोटा या कैसा, it qualifies. So here abhidhiyate is being mentioned, is being said. What abhidhiyate? How abhidhiyate? Anudya abhidhiyate. Anudya means having restated. Having restated, again repeated. Having restated what? Having restated Samyak Darshanam. Having mentioned Samyak Darshanam again. वो Anudya has it again, restating. Having mentioned Samyak Darshanam again. दैट सम्यक दर्शनम विच इज पूर्व श्लोकार्थम, इसीलिए अगेन बोला गया है क्योंकि ये पहले दो श्लोकों में भी यही बात कह चुके हैं. तो अभी फिर से अनुद्य पूर्व श्लोकार्थम एतत्. सो एतत् पूर्व श्लोकार्थम सम्यक दर्शनम और ऑल ऑब्जेक्ट्स अनुद्य गोज विद अनुद्य. तत्फलम मोक्षः, तत्फलम 1 1 मोक्षः अभिधीयते इज बीइंग mentioned, is being said by Bhagavan Krishna. So that moksha is said in the second line. So this is the second line is a description of the Jnani. Jnani is mukti, the Jivan Mukti. So Bhagavad Gita's goal is Jivan Mukti. Then they don't talk about it. They kind of चलो हो जाते हैं क्यों? क्योंकि वो commitment रहना है. You need a conviction towards Shastra Vishaya. So the commitment of Shastra. What is the goal? So षड लिंग है. तो षड लिंग में क्या है? उपक्रमोपसंहारो फर्स्ट अभ्यासो. कभी कभी पहले देखे थे, अब याद आएगा, थोड़ा थोड़ा याद आएगा. अभ्यासो अपूर्वता फलम अर्थवादः उपपत्ति लिंगम तात्पर्य निर्णय. अभ्यासो अपूर्वता फलम. तो फल के लिंग में फल, सो दैट फल लिंगा, सो दैट वाक्यास विथ विच you see the phalam, what is the result of Vedanta. So Vedanta Shastra has to mention what is the result. वेद पूर्व भाग में मरने के बाद क्या पाते हैं उसका बारे में बहुत साधन बताए गए हैं, बट वेदांता डजंट गिव दैट. वेदांता इज नॉट अबाउट ट्रैवल आफ्टर डेथ, इज अबाउट जीवन मुक्ति. सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर अधिकारी इज अ जिज्ञासु, वैरागी इज अधिकारी फॉर वेदांता. So someone who is interested in afterlife travel will not be satisfied with Vedanta. Not satisfied, will say Vedanta also is for that only. So that is how we see. We see that's how it is with people. Jivan Mukti is a phalam of Vedanta. ये हमको बहुत जोर से बोलना है. So we don't have to bang our heads how to save Bhagavan from Srishti. Why I'm saying we don't have to bang our heads how to save Bhagavan from Srishti? Because these Dvaitis, Vaishnavas, they bang their heads how to save Bhagavan from Srishti. That is why they have invented that Loka Vaikuntha. Because if Bhagavan is staying there, that's a mechanism to keep Bhagavan untouched. So Bhagavan is staying far away in Vaikuntha. So Bhagavan is untouched. So that Vaikuntha is a mechanism they have used to keep Bhagavan untouched. But really, we don't need to do anything to keep Bhagavan untouched. Here, Shastra is a pramana. Shastra is revealing Atma is Brahma, Atma is Jagat Karanam, Ishvara, and Atma is Bahihi. न लिप्यते लोक दुखेन बाह्यः. It is bahya, never touched by anything. न लिप्यते लोक दुखेन बाह्यः. So we don't have to invent a loka to keep Bhagavan separate because we want Bhagavan not to be touched. नहीं, हमको कुछ नहीं करना. We have to just go along with Shastra Pramana. Shastra is a pramana. Shastra reveals how Bhagavan is untouched. Being ekam advayam satyam, that Brahman is untouched. Dvaitam na vidyate. Jnate Dvaitam na vidyate. Because they can be shaken. Abhi Jivan Mukti means you're free from emotion. You should not have any raga dvesha. You should always be like Brahman always. ऐसा people ridicule. अभी उससे हिल जाता. But what is Jivan Mukti? Here clear. Sarvatha Vartamanaha api sayogi mai vartate. Seeing only Bhagavan Vasudeva Sarvam. ये है Jivan Mukti. So Jivan Mukti, what are you expecting? If you are expecting something, that means you're not having vairagyam. So Jivan Mukti, इसमें ज़्यादा हम this should not be romanticized because it is what your appreciation is. You are Brahman. That means you are free from that limitation. That is Jivan Mukti. Oh, this is the Jnana, this is the Darshanam. So when this is not there, certainly there is samsara. So here you see clearly sarvatha, sarva prakaraihi. Sarvatha अव्यय है तो उसका अर्थ है सर्व प्रकारैहि. So सर्व प्रकारैहि वर्तमान. हाँ, वर्तमान means this person is engaged. So ये भी नहीं है. Another problem is that samadhi is romanticized. So ऐसा नहीं कि this person is in samadhi and then free. नहीं. सर्वथा वर्तमानः. इंद्रियाणि इंद्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्ते इति धारयन्. Here also vartamanaha, engaged in, this person is involved in various actions. Sarva prakaraihi. स सर्वविद् भजति मां सर्वभावेन भारत इति गुह्यतमं शास्त्रम. This is the 19th shloka of the 15th chapter. स सर्वविद् भजति माम. Same here, भजति एकत्वम आश्रितः. उधर सर्वविद् भजति माम सर्वभावेन भारत. इन ऑल वे सर्वभावेन सर्वविद् माम भजति. ये कैसा होता है? लाइक ही डूइंग एनी कर्मा इज वर्शिप टू भगवान. डूइंग एनीथिंग सर्वथा वर्तमानोपि सयोगी मयि वर्तते. दिस इज जीवन. नो कर्मा इज आउटसाइड भगवान. No person, no situation, no object, shuchi, ashuchi, anything, nothing is outside Bhagavan. Sarvam means sarvam. Sarvam Brahmeva. Sarvavid bhajati sarvabhavena bharata. This is the greatest secret. Iti guhyatamam shastram. So, coming back. So, sarvatha vartamanopi samyak darshi. This samyak darshi, yogi. Yogi means here samyak darshi. So, yogi, that the one who is seeing clearly the reality, one who understands one's reality clearly. So, सम्यक दर्शी. So, सम्यक माने बहुत ढंग से देख रहा है, बहुत अच्छा देख रहा है. It's not a vague understanding, but a very clear understanding. So, योगी सम्यक दर्शी सर्वथा वर्तमानोपि. ये नहीं बोल रहे कि केवल जब पूजा कर रहा है, नहीं, सर्वथा वर्तमानोपि. सिर्फ पूजा कर रहे जब मई वर्तते, बट आउटसाइड पूजा रूम मई न वर्तते. इस पर्सन एंगेज इन समथिंग, बट नॉट फॉर अ ज्ञानी. सम्यक दर्शी, फॉर सम्यक दर्शी सर्व प्रकार ही वर्तमान अपि. सम्यक दर्शी योगी मयि वर्तते. मयि, in me this person is engaged in me really. Now what is this me, मयि? Bhashyakara says Vaishnave parame pade. Kathopanishad Tadvishnu paramam padam. So Tadvishnu paramam padam, Shruti uses, even Bhashyakara uses Vaishnave parame pade, but is not using for Vaikuntha. वैकुंठ के बाद नहीं हो रहा है इधर. वैष्णवे परमे पदे सयोगी मयि वर्तते. वैष्णवे परमे पदे, दिस वैष्णवे दैट तद्धित हो रहा, तद्धित है, इसीलिए आदि वृद्धि और सी. सो वैष्णवे विष्णु हो इदम वैष्णवम, दैट परमम पदम. परमम मीन्स दैट which cannot be compared to anything, that which can never decay, that which can never go away. That is the sthanam, that is the status of Vishnu. What is that? Brahma, that swarupa. And then you are awake to your swarupa, you are one with that, then this will never go away. Sarvatha vartamanopi sayogi mahi vartate. So people, this Vaishnava generally they use this conveniently. वो बोलते हैं शंकराचार्य जी इज अ वैष्णवा. दिस इज वन प्रॉब्लम दे हैव. बट हियर ऐसा ऐसा ये श्लोक में भाष्य देखो ना. श्री शंकराचार्य जी के बारे में कुछ बात करना है तो शंकर भाष्य देखना है. तो शंकर भाष्य में देखो कहाँ वैकुंठ का सिद्धि हो रहा है. मरने के बाद जो वैकुंठ जाते हैं उसका सिद्धि कहाँ कर रहे हैं भाष्यकार. सो इवन दो वैष्णव पदम इज यूज्ड, बट हियर ही सेज व्हाट? जीवन मुक्ति ही. This Jivan Mukti is what is talked about. Nitya Muktaha. Nitya Muktaha Vartate Parame Pade Vaishnave. Saha Nitya Muktaha Eva Saha. This person is Nitya Muktaha, certainly. Nitya Muktaha Eva Saha. Nishchayavantam. This is Buddhigrahyam. Remember, Buddhya Eva Grihyate. Buddhigrahyam. Therefore, निश्चय सही होने वाला है. Vagueness, the knowledge fraught with errors will not give this, will not make one Jivan Muktam, Brahma Bhutam. No. Clear, convinced knowledge. So, Brahma Bhutam, Nishchayavantam, Brahma eva sarvamiti, evam Nishchayavantam. In this manner, one who has gained a clear knowledge, Nishchaya. मनसा एव अनुद्रष्टव्यम नेहना नास्ति किंचन. कठोपनिषद द्विजस्व. सो वी जस्ट नहीं, थोड़े दिन पहले हमने देखा था, मनसा एव अनुद्रष्टव्यम, ओनली विद योर माइंड यू रिकॉग्नाइज. व्हाई विद द माइंड वी रिकॉग्नाइज? बिकॉज विद द माइंड ओनली यू मेक अ मिस्टेक. The mistake is made, you make the mistake, and then you remove the mistake by clear understanding. Iti evam nishchayavantam brahma bhutam. And then, having recognized which, then Shastra says, Tatra ko moha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. That is what is said, Prakshina mohadi klesha rajasam. That moha is gone means Tatra ko moha kashokaha. So moha born is shoka, suffering. Why me? Why this happened to me? Then this is gone. Where is it there? Ko mohaha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. Sixth one. Shatru. For the one who is appreciating ekatvam, atmanaha ekatvam anupashyataha. Who is appreciating Atma to be non-dual. This is Jivan Mukti. Jivan Mukti is this.